we basically will start approaching the external research infrastructures and asking them their requirements, what they expect from the BioDT, what are their tools that they use, how would they imagine the interactions between the BioDT and their community interfaces. And this is the first part that we will take care of, and we will continuously update those as we will create the BioDT Digital Twin. We will start the integration into the community platforms, and this will be mainly led by the requirements, as I said, that we will collect. So there is some open space how this will go. When all of those tasks are rolling, I would say, then we will start also preparing the training materials. That is probably mostly the second part of the project. So we will prepare the training materials. We want to do the summer school. We will prepare some hackathons for the people where they can bring their own data to get, to get to know the BioDT Twin and start to understand how to work with it.